Benjamin came to Rome on vacations, after a hard season working with his family of mimes. Yes, he's a mime, and a good one, so he deserved a good time during his holidays. When he entered to the hostel, nobody noticed something rare.
Hello. Welcome to the Yellow Prego.
The rooms are not ready yet, because they need to get cleaned. Cleaned as mirrors. May I have your passport?
My friend, you can wait in this room. See you later, gladiator.
Thanks. In fact, he was really carrying a luggage, an invisible trolley. That was the Yellow Bar, a place he heard good things about. So he decided to go for a cappuccino. Immersed in the idea of a warm and creamy coffee, he went straight to the bar. He just crossed the road without looking the traffic. And nothing happened. Come on guys, this is not a sad story. He was an eager traveler, hungry for art and culture, ready to learn. Hi, may I have a cappuccino?
Ciao bello di casa. Cappuccino. Si dice cappuccino.
And that's his first lesson. And suddenly he realized that he abandoned his luggage in that waiting room. His whole life was in that trolley. And if he lost that, he will be forced to go back with his family and work as a mime. So he went back to the hostel.
Benjamin, you left your trolley abandoned. But no worries, I put it in a safe place.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
In the end, he wanted to explain that everything was a joke, a mime's joke, but nobody believed him. We, in the YellowSquare, are still thinking that our dear Benjamin really has an imaginary trolley.